Tripwire video analytics rules are best used for capturing motion when an object passes a particular point. For example, cars pulling into your driveway, a person approaching your front porch, or children leaving for school. To configure this rule, tap on the video card from your app's home screen. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap Recording Rules. Then tap Add New Rule. Tap Video Analytics. Tap the camera you would like to use and tap Tripwire. If you have not created a video analytics rule for this camera yet, you must first calibrate it. Follow the on-screen steps on the mobile app or check out the Smart Tip video on video analytics calibration. Select the type of scenery this camera will view. For this example, we will select Outdoors. Next, select a minimum object detection size. This setting determines how large an object must be to trigger the camera. Tap and drag the slider to adjust, then tap Next. Name your rule. To better organize your rules, name them after what they are intended to record. We will name our rule Entering Home Perimeter. It's time to place the tripwire. Tap and drag the ends of the tripwire to your desired location. Try to avoid creating tripwires that span the camera's entire field of view or are placed too close to high traffic areas. Placement of the tripwire will depend on what you are trying to capture with the rule. Use your best judgment. And remember, you can always adjust these rules later. Once the tripwire is placed, select which direction you'd like to record. For this example, we are concerned with cars entering the driveway, not leaving. You can see which direction a tripwire is set by checking the small arrow at its center. Tap Switch Directions to toggle back and forth, or tap both directions if you'd like to capture video of objects crossing the tripwire from either direction. Set your minimum delay between clips by tapping the drop-down menu. Next, select the time frame. In this example, we want the rule to run at all times, so under Except When, we will ensure no options are selected. Notifications can be sent when this rule detects people, animals, or vehicles. Tap which object type you would like to get notified on. Please note these settings only apply to notifications. The camera will still record for all types of motion. Next, select the recipients who should receive these notifications. Turning on lights with video analytics adds a sense of security. When the camera detects an object of interest, like a person or car, your system can automatically turn on your smart lights. Tap a light you would like to add to this automation, then select the objects and time frame. Save your new rule by tapping Save in the top right corner.